What's going on, B4 Squad? It is officially snowing in New Jersey. The first snow of the year. So this is what it looks like so far.
Hey.
Here, babe. You want the tripod?
Huh?
You want the tripod? Ava wants gloves. I think she has gloves. It is too cold. Where are you guys going? Oh my geez. Let's zoom into them. Are you guys ready to go back inside? What? Why you do that? Babe, there's snow inside the house now.
Okay. Oh, babe, how many bridge was Look at the dog. The dog's having
Stop, stop, stop. Stop! Guys, I'm a party pooper. I'm gonna get sick. No.
Let's grab mommy.
Nope.
Let's grab mommy.
Nope. Don't. No. I shut the door right on you guys. No. I don't have no shoes on. Y'all trying to make me catch pneumonia. Guys. Cold. Cold. They freaking threw snow inside. Ava, say hi. She's outside with her Crocs too. You're gonna get snow in them. In your Crocs. Your feet are not cold? No? Well, listen. I'm going inside. This is just a Sunday. I'm gonna show you guys Aaron. He's sleeping. Alright guys, so it's been like, I believe like a whole week of using the 1212 Gateway skincare, and I think it's been working like really good. This is my, I just used it too, like maybe like an hour ago. I just washed my face. I think it's working on me pretty good. I can't wait for them to come back in stock with more products because I'm gonna buy the bigger versions of it now. Yes. Mommy, you mean? Okay, here, then talk to the B4 Squad. Come here, come inside because you're gonna drop it. Let me get some gloves for you.
Hi guys, it's snowy outside. Yeah. Look at my snowy outside. Snowy outside. Mwah. Snowy outside. Mwah. Snowy. Oh, you're so dirty, guys. Please. Snowy outside.
Here.
Snowy outside. My glove. Oh, thank God. Hey. This is my first time playing on the stove because it was not snowing for Christmas.
Well, yeah, it's the first time this year.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh. Orange, pink, together. Orange, pink, together. Baby, for squad.
All right, who's gonna come get the snow? Ava, get the snow off.
What?
Get the snow.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
Get the snow. Take it out there, baby. Please. Look at the rug now. It's all wet. Thank you. See you later, alligator. Thank you, princess. Appreciate you. This one's always on the phone. Look at this one. Good job, princess. Uh-oh, guess who woke up?
Aaron woke up?
I think Aaron woke up. I'm not taking him out. Nope. He's not getting sick. Oh. Oh, baby. Good after. Oh, you teepee still. Oh, you teepee. Oh, you teepee still. Good night. Oh, say hi. Oh, you're tired. Oh, you wanna go see the snow? But you just woke up and you're gonna get sickies. Bundle him up. You wanna go see the snow? From the door though. Daddy wants to take you out. He's crazy. That's one blanket. Well, that's the second blanket. This is... Oh. That's 3 blankets, and let's put your... Where is it? Pecker's hat on. Let's see if it fits you. Say hi. Come on. Look. Look. Hey. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my baby. He's been so grumpy. Right? He's my twin. He looks like me, guys. The snow. Say sister. You just hit her in her face. Daddy's always doing something crazy.
Okay, it's okay. You want to hit Daddy in the face with a snowball? Alright, okay, you good.
Come here. It's not even funny.
I was gonna get him right in the head.
Daddy ruins everything. Let me see. Let me see your eye. Damn, but you hit her right in her eye. Now you're not hit him in the face.
Go get me in the face. Come on. What am I breaking? Get Daddy in the face with a snowball.
This is why we don't go out, right, Papa? Make a good one and hit him in his face.
Right in my face. Oh, it's gonna hurt. Ah!
She hit you in your face?
My head.
That's what you get.
Aaron!
He's like, it's too cold, right, Bubba?
Look! What's up?
Here, hold this.
It's freezing.
It's falling. Yes, look at Didi.
Look at your best friend.
He came back home.
Hey, but Daddy hit you in the face with a snowball? It was an accident.
That's for the B4 squad.
Did you get that recording?
No.
Oh.
Hit him again. Hit him. She's pissed. Go right there.
Ow.
Uh-oh, someone's cold.
Aaron.
It's too cold for him. And this head doesn't fit him anymore.
He got a big head, that's what it is. I'm gonna get that baby. You having fun in the snow, Eve? Huh? Show him a snow angel.
Huh?
Show him a snow angel.
A snow angel?
Yeah, on the floor and do that. Over here, over here, over here. Go lay down. Go, okay, you're not done. Oh, it's almost there.
I can't because look at the snowball.
Are they hitting you in the face?
Yeah, it's in my eye.
Whoa.
No, it's slipping on the poo-poo. Right there, poo-poo.
Alright guys, so that was a little video we wanted to do for you guys because that's the first snowstorm, which is not much in a couple years, and actually the first snowfall in 2021.
Yep.
We're laughing because we had to cut sign off this video, but it's okay. But alright guys, we just wanted to make sure we closed the video out for you guys. That was like a last minute video because it just started to snow. But alright guys, so if you are new to our channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, turn that post notification bell on, and
we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.